A developing and urgent situation has unfolded in Gaza, where Gazans are fleeing their homes as Israeli forces push into Khan Yunis. Well, first, let's understand what exactly happening and what does this mean for the region. Let's find out. Well, Khan Yunis is a city in southern Gaza that has been heavily affected by the ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas. The area has seen many clashes and military actions and impacting many local residents. And now, the current situation is a part of the larger ongoing conflict in the region. On Sunday, Palestinians were fleeing the main city in southern Gaza after Israel warned of a new military operation. And this came a day after one of the deadliest attacks in over 10 months of fighting. Well, in Gaza, since Hamas' October 7 attack has increased tension in the region. And in the occupied West Bank, medics reported that an Israeli man was killed in a shooting on Sunday. And meanwhile, the UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees UNRWA reported that over 75,000 people have been forced to leave their homes in southern West Gaza in the past few days. Well, Gaza has a total population of about 2.4 million. On Friday, an Israeli airstrike in northern Gaza hit a religious school where displaced Palestinians were staying and killing at least 93 people. And this attack has drawn widespread international criticism. And on the other hand, Israel said it targeted militants at Gaza City Al Taiban school and mosque using precise weapons. They claimed that at least 19 Hamas and Islamic Jihad terrorists were eliminated in the strike, while Hamas called on Arab and Muslim countries to take strong actions to end the war and asked the UN Security Council to meet urgently to force Israel to stop the violence. Well, Iran, Hamas, Hezbollah, and other regional allies have promised to retaliate, and rising fears that the conflict would spread and becoming even bigger. And the crisis shows how badly the conflict affects ordinary people and emphasizes the need for urgent help and long-term solutions. Keep watching Ida.com for more such international affairs.